YouTube, what's going on? So today I'm going to talk about goal setting. And by the way, when I say goal setting, I mean like long-term specific goals. So let's use the gym as an example, right? If I'm new to the gym and I'm like, yo, I want to go to the gym so I can look good. That's not a long-term goal, nor is that specific. Versus if I say, yo, I'm interested in boxing, I want to learn how to fight, I want to compete one day. Automatically what that does is set a standard that allows me to improve in different areas to achieve that goal. What I mean by that is, now because that is my goal and I'm gonna obsess over it, as a result, I'm gonna look better, I'm gonna get in shape, I'm gonna have great cardio, I'm gonna lean out, I'm gonna lose fat, I'm gonna get faster, I'm gonna be more confident, and the list goes on. And I'm gonna learn how to fight. So really, with that mindset, for whatever it is you want to achieve, if it's business, fitness, money-wise, anything, communication skills, if you have a clear, precise goal, your drive is gonna immediately raise up, you're gonna be more consistent, and it's gonna be more fun. So yeah, that's just one example using the gym. If it's like a financial goal, be as specific as you can. Maybe it's a certain car you want, maybe it's a certain house you want. Don't just leave it as, oh, I want to get rich one day, or oh, one day I want to be wealthy. No, be specific as possible. Make sure it's long term, and make sure it's something that you could obsess over and kind of grow in every direction while you're achieving this goal. Like another example would be if you want to start a side hustle. Let's say it's something like social media marketing, and you want to make an extra 10 grand a month. Not only are you going to eventually make that 10 grand a month, but in doing so, you're also going to improve your social skills, improve your marketing skills, and improve your network, improve your branding skills, pretty much everything in between while you achieve that goal to get 10,000 a month. So yeah, something as simple as goal setting and being clear with your goals is going to increase your drive every time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, let me know, and that's all I got for y'all today.